In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bullet point in Google Sheets when you're working on an Apple Macbook. Making your spreadsheets more visually organized can be really important, and adding bullet points is a great way to enhance readability, ensuring your data is clearly presented. So, let's get started. First up, what you'll want to do is open up your Google Sheets document. Simply navigate to your preferred web browser and type in Google Sheets or head to sheets.google.com. Find your document or create a new one where you'd like to insert bullet points. This could be a list of tasks, ideas, or any sort of itemized information that benefits from a bit of clear delineation. Now that you've got your sheet open, let's focus on adding a bullet point. Go to the cell where you want the bullet point to appear and click into it. In the formula bar or directly in the cell, you're going to type in this formula, CHAAR 8226. The char function is quite handy because it helps you insert special characters, like our bullet point here, based on a specific code number. In this case, 8226 is the code for a classic round bullet point. Once you've typed that out, go ahead and hit the Enter key. Doing so will execute the formula and, voila, you'll see a bullet point appear right in the cell you selected. This is useful if you want to have standalone bullet points for your content. However, if you're looking to prefix an existing list in your spreadsheet with bullet points, we've got a slightly different method. Again, starting with the cell where you want the formatted list to commence, you'll type this formula, CHAAR 8226, and cell location. The ampersand symbol here is crucial. It's used to concatenate or link together different text elements. For instance, it allows the bullet point, represented by the char function, to join with a space and whatever text or data is residing in your specified cell. Click Enter after typing that out, and just like that, you'll see your list item now stylishly preceded by a bullet point. But what if your list is quite extensive? Not to worry, Google Sheets makes it easy to apply this format throughout your entire list using the autofill feature. Simply click back into the cell containing your bullet point formula and hover over the bottom right corner until you see a small blue square. Click that and drag it down over the other cells in your list. Voila! All your items now have that clean bullet point look. This autofill feature is super helpful when it comes to rapidly formatting larger data sets. And there you have it. You've successfully added bullet points to your list items, making them pop out with clearer,